Good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to discuss with you Indian Evidence Act, Section 9, 10, and 11. In Section 9, we'll study about the facts which are related to other facts in issue, and relevant facts in order to rebut or support or to establish any identity or of any thing or person, or fix any time or place of the occurrence of any thing, or show the relationship between the parties by whom such fact was transacted. So, when we talk about these four things are relevant under the section. We'll go for illustration. In this illustration, A is accused of a crime. The fact that soon after commission of the crime, A absconded from his house is relevant under section 8 of evidence, as it shows conduct subsequent to and affected by facts in issue. The fact at that time when he left home, he had sudden and urgent business at the place to which he went, is relevant as tending to explain the fact that he left home suddenly. The details of the business on which he left are not relevant. Section 9 is significant as far as test identification parade is concerned. Uh, the evidence of the test identification parade is received under this section. Leading case is Ramanathan versus State of Tamil Nadu. It was held that the purpose of test identification parade is to test and strengthen the trustworthiness of the evidence of the witness in the court. Section 10. Section 10 is about conspiracy and the common intention which two or more persons share, and in the furtherance of common intention they have committed an offense. So we'll read this section. Where there is reasonable ground to believe that two or more persons have conspired together to commit an offense or an actionable wrong, anything said, done, or written by any one of such persons in reference to their common intention, after the time when such intention was first entertained by any one of them, is a relevant fact. So two or more persons have to be involved here, and there should be a common intention between those persons, and the commission of crime should be there after the time when such intention was first entertained, as against each of the persons believed to be so conspiring, as well for the purpose of proving the existence of the conspiracy as for the purpose of showing that any such person was a party to it. Illustration. Reasonable grounds exist for believing that A has joined in a conspiracy to wage war against government of India. The facts that B procured arms in Europe, D persuaded persons to join conspiracy in Bombay, E published writing advocating the object in view at Agra, F transmitted from Delhi to G at Kabul the money. So we can see here that A, B, D, E, F, and G persons are involved, and they are committing various things under the operation, and it is giving result to waging war against government of India. So all these facts which are involved are relevant under the section 10. There is one leading case in this regard, Mirza Akbar versus Emperor. In this case, there are four persons involved. Mehar Teja, she is the wife of Ali Asgar. Ali Asgar is the deceased. Mirza Akbar is the paramour of the wife of Ali Asgar, and they have conspired along with Umar Sher, who is a shooter here, to kill Ali Asgar. So there was a common intention between Mirza Akbar and the wife of Ali Asgar to kill Ali Asgar. So in this case, both the persons, Mirza Akbar and Mehar Teja, were held to be liable for the murder of Ali Asgar. And even Umar Sher, who was shooter, he was held liable. He was caught red-handed in murdering Ali Asgar. As so, legal issue which is involved here, that what is the relevancy of the aforesaid two evidences under Section 10 of Indian Evidence Act? In the decision, court held that letters were relevant under Section 10. There is one illustration involved here, uh, in which it is said that The letters written between the two or more persons in the furtherance of common intention of a conspiracy are relevant. So when A is writing letter to B, and the letter contains some information about the conspiracy which is going on between both of them, that letter is relevant under section 10 of Indian Evidence Act. Section 11, facts not otherwise relevant become relevant, and this is also known as plea of alibi. So we'll take one example that there is one allegation that A has committed a murder in Calcutta, and at that uh, at that point of time, A was not in Calcutta, but he was in Lahore. So this fact that he was not in Calcutta at the time of commission of offense, but he was at some other place, this is also called plea of alibi, and it shows that how one fact is very inconsistent to other fact, and how the one fact is making another fact highly improbable. So we'll read section 11. Facts not otherwise relevant are relevant if they are inconsistent with any fact in issue or relevant fact. If they make the existence or non existence of any fact in issue or relevant fact highly probable or improbable. So it makes that clear. We'll go for one illustration here. The question is whether A has committed a crime. Circumstances are such that the crime must have been committed either by A, B, C, D. Every fact which shows that the crime could have been committed by no one else and that it was committed by either B, C, or D is relevant.